Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to find the security. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see we've got the section with encryption and credentials, so let's tap, and at the very bottom of it we've got clear credentials option, so basically the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. Be aware that if you've got the screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your ZTE AXON 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.